Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time out of your busy day to watch my video. Today I'm getting ready to make a glamorous mirror and vase out of Dollar Tree items. Now here are the items you would need. I will be putting a list of all these items in the description box below. The first thing I'm going to do is spray paint my mats and the rim of my mirror. After I finish spray painting my mats and around my mirror, the next thing I'm going to do is cut my mat to fit my vase and around my mirror. While I am cutting the mat so that I can glue it onto my vase, I want to take the time out to welcome my first time viewers. If this is your first time, welcome to Monica Monet Collection. Go ahead on and press the subscribe button, like button, and turn your notification bell on so you can know every time I upload a video. I appreciate you stopping by my channel and watching my video. Now, to my family members, you guys are awesome. I thank you for coming back each time and supporting and leaving your loving comments at the bottom of each one of my videos. I truly appreciate you. Blessings to you and your family. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. And remember, I love you guys from where? The bottom of my heart. I am really loving this design on this mat. I will only have to use one mat for this tutorial. I've already thought of something else that I can make with the other mat. I just finished cutting out the part I need for my vase. Now I'm going to take the rest of this mat and glue it around my mirror. Next, I'm going to take this sheet of paper so that I can draw a straight line down this board, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now I'm going to cut the four corners of my board. I'm now going to take my beads and glue it around the edge of my board. Then I'm going to take my beads and glue it on top of my mat. After I have finished with my mirror, now it's time for me to decorate my vase with this mat and beads. Treat so special. I am finished. Here is the final look. I hope you like this tutorial. Please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. Thank you so much again for stopping by and watching this video. Until next time, blessings to you and your family, and have a great day.